Hello everyone, welcome to this Excel session. Today we will start with the basics and learn about Excel's layouts, cells, rows and columns. Excel is not just a grid of boxes. It is a very powerful tool that helps us organize, calculate and analyze data. You can think of it as a digital ledger, a database or an interactive table. When we open Excel, the file we're working in is called Workbook. Like you may be able to see this file. Now I have saved this file with the name August 25 finance data. Now this is my August 25 finance data workbook, that is file. A workbook can have many sheets inside it. Each sheet is called a worksheet. You can see the sheet tabs at the bottom of this window. Like I have created two sheets here, one with the name paid and one with the name received. Using multiple sheets helps us keep our data organized. For example, keeping sales data on one sheet and employee data on another. Now, let's look at the main area of Excel, which is the grid. The grid is made up of cells. A cell is the smallest unit in Excel where we can enter data. Columns are the vertical sections in the grid where we usually use columns to represent categories or fields. For example, in this table, the columns are named as name, age and department. Now, rows are horizontal sections. Rows represents individual records. In this same employee table that we are able to see, I have put three names here like Arun, John and Geeta. The interaction of a column and a row in this cell in the sheet is a cell. Each cell has a unique reference based on its column and row. For example, the cell in the first column and first row is called A1, like this one. This reference is important because Excel uses it when we write formulas or functions that we will see in our upcoming videos. Navigating and selecting cells is easy. You can use the arrows to move around like this, like this. You can use the arrow to move around or control plus an arrow to jump across the data. Like we are in A1 right now. If I use control and right arrow, the cell will right away jump to C1. That is the last name in the column section, right? We can also adjust the size of rows and columns to make our data easier to understand and read. Just click and drag the edge of a row or column header or double click to auto fit the content like this one. So if I click here and move on the right or the left, it will be adjusted as per my choice. If I double click on this, it will be adjusted as per the text in this C1 cell. In each cell, we can enter different types of data such as text, numbers or dates. We can also format the cells to make them look better. For example, we can bold the headers, add colors to columns or change the font size. The reason layout matters in Excel is very simple. A well organized grid makes it easier to work with formulas, create charts or generate reports. Understanding cells, rows and columns is the foundation of everything else in Excel. That's it for the introduction that we are seeing today. In the upcoming session, we will learn how to enter data and start using basic formulas, and the other things that we'll be discussing in upcoming videos will be the important shortcuts that we should learn to work in Excel in a better way. Thank you for watching the video. Hope to see you again. Please don't forget to subscribe the video so that you don't miss any video. Thank you.